MA in Psychology MAPC is one of the most interesting and career-oriented IGNOU programs designed for students who want to understand human behavior, emotions, and mental processes. The course includes practical projects under codes MPC 16 Clinical Psychology, MPC 26 Counseling Psychology, and MPC 36 Organizational Psychology. These projects help students apply psychological theories in real-life situations such as therapy sessions, personality assessments, and workplace behavior studies. A well-prepared project not only improves your marks but also builds your professional confidence and research skills. If you are finding it difficult to make your MAPC project, or Synopsis Self-GAN is here to guide you. Get free help and sample project PDFs to write your IGNOU project easily. Message me now at 96997843005 or visit my website selfganignu.com. Link is given in the description. You can take guidance on topic selection, questionnaire preparation, data analysis, and report writing. All services are student-friendly and affordable. Self-GAN has the best record of IGNOU project approval with full guidance and timely support, so do not delay. Start preparing your MPC 16, 26, and 36 projects now. Contact for free help today and make your IGNOU MA Psychology project perfect with Self-GAN.